Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial of the Tadano online tools, in which I would like to show you various settings and additional features we offer besides the three main tools. The settings can be reached via this gear wheel up here in the right corner. We have the option to set the unit system, the language, to edit our user data, to create a fleet, to create a project, or to create a team. Okay, what does it mean in detail? The system, we can choose one of two unit systems, either metric or imperial. The language we can set to one of various possibilities. In the user data, we can edit the input data we entered when registering for the Tadano online tools, and we can also create a logo that will appear on the web page and on all the PDF printouts we generate from the different tools. Click on the search button, choose a JPEG or other picture format, confirm that with OK, and afterwards hit the Save button and close the window to accept these changes. With My Fleet, we can create a fleet from all the Tadano cranes. Just tick the boxes of the cranes that are available in your fleet or that are of special interest for you. And later, when you use the various tools, they will appear in a pre-selection for you. Once all the cranes you want to choose are ticked, click Save, and your fleet is generated. Now, we also have some other cool features like My Projects. You can create a project to create some kind of container to store different plannings in this and get them at one place for later use, and also to add additional informations like some project name. You can input the operation time, the construction site location. You can enter what customer this job is for. You can enter some contacts that are important for this job and also add comments. I'll just click Save to save these inputs, and then I will show you how to add load cases to this project. By clicking on a new load case, you get a selection window where you can choose if you either want to create a completely new planning or if you want to select from a list of previously saved plannings. This can be done for the outrigger reaction force calculation tool, the crane select plus tool, and the working range tool. So I will select a job or a plan that I have saved previously and just select it, and I want to edit. So I get here a small overview of what I've planned in this job, what configuration I used, and I will add further plannings from the other tools. So we have the crane select plus tool and also from the working range tool. Now I have plannings from all three tools. I can go into the details of these plannings by clicking on the folder symbol to open this planning job, or if I maybe made a wrong selection, I can delete it with this bin symbol. Another cool feature of these projects is that I can share them with other users from the online tools. And how this works, I will show you now. I will close this window. Then I will return to my settings menu and click on My Teams. This is the way to create a new team. Currently the list is empty and I will create a new one by clicking on New Team. I will enter a name for this team, and then down here I see who's currently in this team. Currently it's just me, but I can enter new members. To enter a new member, you will have to know the email address of this user. There's no selection possibilities. This is not possible due to data protection issues. You enter the email address and click Add User. Now, there's also a second step necessary. Up here, you see the share link. You will have to pass on this link to the user you want to add to the team, either by sending this link via email or via Microsoft Teams or whatever means you have available. You can click on this symbol to copy the link to the clipboard and paste it wherever you need it. Okay, now let's imagine I've just received the share link and I will just paste it to my browser and then I'm redirected to the login page. There I enter the credentials. Now it's test user 2, so the user I just invited. I just enter the password and log in. Once I'm logged in, I see this window where I'm asked whether I want to join the team. I have the option to click cancel and not join the team, or by clicking OK, I join the team. I will do that. And as you can see, in the team selection page, I now see the test team as well. I can open that up and see that there's both users in this team now. And also here we have this little ticked box that I've joined this team. So what I just mentioned a few minutes ago, that you can now share projects. So yeah, currently here's no project available because with this user I've not planned something yet. But as I mentioned, these projects can be shared between users, and for that I will head back to the other account and show you how this works. Although it looks the same, I'm now back at the test user 1 account, and I can prove that to you because now under my projects I have these two projects again. The test plan that I created just minutes ago, and this other project that I have been invited to previously. I can see that because this project I cannot delete, and the test plan I just created I can delete. Also, I can see that this is a team project already, and this one up here is a private project. But let's turn that into a team project as well. We open the project up and click up here. And we are now told that we are changing the type of this project. It's okay. And now it's a team project. We choose the team we want to share it with and save it. So now this planning is available for everyone in the team shown here. And to prove that to you, I will just again head back to the test user 2 account. Back at the test user 2 account, I now head to the settings and my projects, where I now can see the test plan as well. And I see it's a team project. And when I open it up, I have the same information available as anyone else in the team. This is a wonderful way to share these plannings within your company, or even to collaborate, for example, with other companies. And in this way, you will always have the same information available everywhere. Now, this is the end of my explanation of the settings and additional features that we offer with the Tadano online tools, and I hope I've been able to give you a good insight on the possibilities we have here so that you can use them in the best way for your own purposes.